How to fix media keeps stopping error in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, reset app preferences. Open setting now. In setting, scroll down, click on apps now. Here you will see apps. Now click on three dots more option. Click on the settings. Now here you will see reset app preferences. Now click on reset app preferences and click on reset apps. After click on reset apps, app preferences will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on search bar. Search update software. Click on system updates. Click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two options, power off or reboot, and if you want to restart device, then this icon swipe down. After swipe down, restart your device. This is how you can fix the media keep stopping error in Poco X8 Pro. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.